Hey there! I'm Roscoe the raccoon, and this is the Campfire Series by North Dakota State Parks. Come explore with me!
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the North Dakota Parks and Rec Campfire Series. We're going to talk a little bit about the Leave No Trace principles. So if you haven't heard of Leave No Trace before, it's meant to make sure that the wilderness stays wild. There are 7 L&T principles. Number 1 is plan ahead and prepare. So we're going to take one finger, we're going to write down our trip plan, what we're going to pack, what we're going to eat. Imagine you get all the way to the top of the trail, you got this beautiful view, and you forgot your camera. That would really be disappointing. You don't want to have a disappointing trip, right? So make sure you make your trip plan and plan ahead and prepare. Second one, 2 fingers, walk and camp on durable surfaces. So we got our durable ground here. We're going to take our 2 fingers and walk across the durable surface. So we want to stay away from any loose soil or erosion zones, stay on our nice packed earth. So number 3 is dispose of waste properly. That doesn't just mean throwing away your garbage, although that's also a good thing to do. It means that when you have to poop in the woods, and it does happen sometimes, you're going to dig yourself a cat hole that's at least 6 to 8 inches deep and 200 feet away from any water source. So we're going to take 3 fingers and we're going to dig ourselves a cat hole. Number 4 is leave what you find. So look around us. Look at all these beautiful flowers. You can't pick the flowers. I know, it'd be so fun to bring it home, but we gotta leave things where they're at. Instead, consider bringing a camera. So we're gonna take 2 fingers on each hand and make ourselves a little camera to take pictures out of. Number 5 is minimize campfire impacts. So our 5 fingers are gonna become a campfire, and it's gonna stay in one place, preferably within a fire ring or a stone ring of some sort, and where a fire has already been held. We don't want a bunch of different fire pits all over the same campground or the same camp space. Number 6 is respect wildlife. 3 fingers in each hand and make antlers. So wildlife is going to be all over, especially if you're in the woods and not a traditional campground. What you want to do is use the thumb rule. So if you take your thumb and you point it at whatever wildlife you're looking at, whether that be a moose or a bird, and you go all the way out. If your thumb can cover that animal, that means that you are far enough away and you can safely observe it. If that animal is larger than your thumb, then you need to back up a little bit. You might be in their personal space. Remember, this is their home. Number 7 is be considerate of others. We're on the trail and we meet someone, we don't want to be mean to them, right? That'd be no fun for either of you. So we're going to take 7 fingers, 5 on this hand, 2 on the other. We're going to wave and make a peace sign. So remember, next time you're out in the woods or camping somewhere, you want to follow Leave No Trace principles. Remember, nature is for everyone and we want to preserve it.
Wasn't that fun? I can't wait for our next adventure. Until then, you know where to find me.